the last main channel video before vlogmas! Hi guys, welcome to this week's video. So it is, as you can tell, a Lush Christmas haul part 2 because there were other bits that I really wanted to try that I hadn't tried or bought since like my first Lush Christmas haul, which I would link as a card here right now if you want to see it, because I was lucky enough to go to Lush Showcase in Manchester and I got a bit spendy, and this time around I didn't spend as much. So there isn't like as many bath bombs, but there's a mix of bath, soap, skincare, shower as well. So I hope you guys do enjoy this video, get inspiration for what you guys may want for Christmas from Lush yourself, or what you want to treat yourself to before you ban yourself from buying things before Christmas Day. But who am I kidding? Who does that? Not me. I just want to say before we get into this haul, this is, like I said at the beginning of the video, the last main channel video before vlogmas. So next Friday there won't be a video, but you will start seeing, hopefully, fingers crossed, videos every day of December, depending on work and if I can edit them in time to upload them in the evening. But I'm aiming to do them for about like 3 to 5 minutes, because I loved Estee Lauder's for October and they were like short but sweet, and that's what I'm aiming for this year, because last year's they were like at least 16 minutes long and even I got bored from filming too much. And it doesn't put as much pressure on myself, especially if it's a work day. I could just maybe film in the morning, or a bit in the morning, a bit in the evening, and not worry about it. So I'm just gonna focus on like certain bits in the day. So I could do like a pamper routine, but vlog style, room tour, decorate my room with me, hence why there's no tree, because I'm saving that for vlogmas, and maybe something like shop with me, like Christmas shopping day with me, who knows. But anyway, I hope you guys are looking forward to that, and because I'm excited about vlogmas is like my favourite time of year. But if you guys want to see what I bought from Lush in this massive goodie bag, which I've kept from last year, this is last year's Christmas bag because it's so pretty, then do carry on watching. Firstly, I need to get my thumbnail. Right, I just want to show you guys the really cute Christmas bags for 2018, because you know at Lush at Christmas time you get the extra big bags you can put your magic wand in, or maybe more than one bath bomb as a gift, and they always make them festive. This year they've gone all out and put stars and presents on one bag, which is so freaking cute, and on the other one there is baubles. Can you see? There we go. I just got too excited and I couldn't wait to put bits of products in them, and they're actually really thin, like sort of paper, because it's 100% recycled, so you can reuse it or recycle it for a Lush environment, which I think is really cool. Hence why I keep this, because I can reuse it and it's too pretty not to. So I'm actually going to start off with the bath stuff, just do the exciting bits because I'm too excited to show you guys. And the first bit is actually a bath bomb I always get this time of year. I always get the initial Lush Christmas bits, and then I do a second shot, but this is the first time I'm filming the second shot as a video. And I always get Golden Wonder in my second round because it's so pretty and perfect for using in December. And look at it, like if you haven't used Golden Wonder, what are you doing in your life? Because it's got, I think there's blue, yellow, maybe green and pink inside. So you got loads of different colours inside, and it's got that really beautiful sort of a champagne-y scent. It literally looks like a cute little present. It's very, very popular and definitely one to save for maybe like Christmas Eve pamper evening. I just absolutely love it. It's so sort of citrusy, but sort of like a bubbly citrusy. is just amazing, and I think I might actually save this for my vlogmas pamper evening video. The next thing is actually a bath bomb I bought already, but I love it so much. It reminds me of Sex Bomb because it's quite floral, but it doesn't have any like jasmine in, I don't think. But it's called Holy Night, and it smells like Sex Bomb. Oh, it's like a Christmas version. It's got like purple, pink and yellow inside, so it looks a tiny little bit like intergalactic in the bath, but really, really pretty. It's got these little holes in. It reminds me of the moon, and it's called Holy Night, and I just saw a bit of bath bomb fall on the floor. And it's definitely one of my favourites from this year, so I had to repurchase it, and it's just really nice for relaxing. It's definitely one of those products where you would like have a spa moment. It's that sort of smell, like a spa product. And the last bath bit I got was another repurchase, and this is probably the most popular bubble bar this year because it's so delicious. I want to eat it because it looks like bamboo cake, and I actually tell every single customer I want to eat this. It's amazing. It's got soy yogurt in, almond oil, it's got cocoa butter, it's so creamy in the bath. Honestly, this is the most moisturising bubble product you can get in Lush. It makes your skin so soft, perfect for keeping hydrated, especially with the colder months coming. It's gonna, like, colder months make my skin feel scaly, so this is a lifesaver, and I'm actually gonna try and make 4 baths out of this because I know I might not buy another one after this. And of course it is Yognog Bubble Bar. It's the same scent as Snow Cake, so if you love Snow Cake from Lush, you will fall head over heels in love with this. From just holding this, I can feel like the moisture in it, but look how delicious and yummy it looks. It's absolutely beautiful, and like it's so creamy in the bath. Having this makes me not as sad that Magic Christmas like wand didn't come back this year. So if you guys do get one bubble bar from Lush this year, make it this because it's amazing and you won't regret it. And I think it might go well as a cocktail with Golden Wonder, just saying. And Golden Wonder, this powder cell and golden pear soap, which I did buy, is a really cute gift for like $29.95 in a gift called Golden Wonder, and it's just the cutest, most special gift ever. So that is the like bath bombs and stuff. And I did actually buy a few soaps this year because I feel like 2018 was a year I started fully appreciating Lush soaps, and those Christmas ones are absolutely amazing. Like, I feel like their theme this year was vintage, classic and edible, because a lot of the soaps this year just smell like you could actually eat them. And this one is of course Golden Pear, which I am sniffing, and it's like one of my favourite ever Lush Christmas soaps. It came out for the first time last year. I absolutely loved it. This year I bought 2. This is my second purchase of it because I bought it the other week, and I just realised it is the best thing they've ever done. Just freaking look at it. It is a freaking golden pear. Got cocoa butter in the middle, it's pear puree, coconut oil. It smells exactly like a pear, so I really want to eat it. Just look how pretty it is. There's a little bit of gold on there. I remember last year they actually covered these in gold, but this year they seem to like held back on it, but I feel like I prefer that because you get to see more of the beautiful soap. Sniff this all day. I can't wait to use this. I might save this to maybe last because it's such a nice creamy moisturising soap. Like, honestly, once you get into it, it's gonna be like the best thing ever for your hands. And ginger hand cream after, top notch. And the other thing I got excited about is Satsuma soap, which is amazing. It smells like a bit like Cherry's Chocolate Orange, but more of the orange. And the composition is basically the same as Golden Pear. You've got the cocoa butter in the middle, and it's just got loads of like really beautiful citrus oils in there, and this looks like a cake, to be honest. It reminds me of Cherry's Chocolate Orange so much, and I really want to buy one right now. And I just noticed the cutest detail on there. It says Lush. That's supposed to be like one of those stamps. Freaking look at it, and look, it says Lush, and there's like a little top of the Satsuma. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to use this. I might use this first, who knows, but oh my gosh, it looks so pretty. It actually looks like a cake, to be honest. Not gonna lie, not gonna lie. Keep it by. And then this one reminds me of a cheesecake, but it's got rose in there. And there's also lemon oil and clove bud and dried cranberries and blueberries. So this one's called Mary Berry. No, it's not named after Mary Berry, but I love the pun. I presume it is like a homage to her, because once you see this, you will realise it looks like a cheesecake. It is an actual cheese. Oh no, I ripped the paper! Oh. I feel like this is supposed to be an M for Mary Berry, and look, just look how beautiful it is. And it looks like, from afar, it looks like a chocolate cheesecake without the biscuit. I've been telling this to every single customer when I talk about it, and I don't think they get me, but I'm gonna stick with it. And it smells so luxurious, like a really like expensive soap. It's beautiful. I can inhale this all day. It reminds me of Rose Jam. You just look how beautiful it is. This is definitely one of my new favourites for like floral scented soaps. But honestly, I feel like I'm gonna save this for Christmas week, or maybe even Christmas Day. Who knows? But it's just too nice not to save for like the Christmas celebrations. Yes. So those are the soaps. Now it's time for the last two bits, which are shower. And one bit I actually bought is another repurchase, is Cinder's shower gel. I got the 100g ones because I know that I'm gonna go through the medium one that I've already got like water, and this one is just beautiful. You got Canadian maple syrup in there, there's pumpkin seed oil, cinnamon, I think there's also almond oil in there. It just smells like marzipan. It's just beautiful. It reminds me of a baked tart, like the marzipan-y side of it, and I just want to drink it. Like I told you guys, Lush Christmas is all about vintage classic edible things. So that is amazing, and fingers crossed it comes back next year. Otherwise I will cry and regret not buying the massive 500g one. The next thing I got, or the last thing I got, is Christine got body conditioner. It's got peppermint menthol crystals in there, and this is one of the products you put on while you're in the shower. It's like an in-shower body lotion. So you use shower gel, and then while you're still in the shower, pop this on wet skin, massage it all over, and then rinse it off, and your body is conditioned. This one, bet you're thinking, are you crazy, buy this? No, because even though it is a winter product, it is perfect for summer. Like, this is a lifesaver in a 30-degree heat wave. I presume I'm going to get another one next year, so I need to be prepared because I don't have any more of this. And the big one is perfect because you're going to need a lot, because it's going to be like every day, like torture, coming home sweaty and needing something really cooling straight away. It makes you feel really shivery and cold, which I love in the summer. Terrible in the winter because you feel like you instantly need a blanket over you with a hot water bottle, but summer, lifesaver. So definitely stock up if you need to be saved from feeling like a sweaty comb. That's all I'm gonna say on that. And that is everything I got in this haul. The bag is now empty. So that is everything. If you guys got inspiration, do let me know in the comments. Also, what your favourite product from this haul is. I know definitely out of everything I got is definitely Yognog Bubble Steel. And do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and click the notification bell below to get updates every day in December for when I upload a vlogmas video, which I'm really excited because I've already done my intro. So, yes. So I have a lovely weekend and the rest of next week, guys, and I will see you in December for all the things Christmas. Yay! Bye!